Which model is this? Got the high country. .2 liter. Woo, tough guy. See you in this one. Oh, jeez, look at that. Big dog. FX4. Let's go see what we're talking about. Oh, we got a Ranger. Okay. People aren't shy around here. We're jumping in, getting a little feel. This FX4 looks kind of cool, man. Dynapro tires, hand-cooked. Not bad. Y'all know I can't do the short bed. We're real men around here. We got work to do. What you gonna put in this bed? A toolbox? F-150 King Ranch. Y'all know about this one, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Let's go over here and look at, they got a Super Duty I wanted to take a look at. Here we go. Big dog. Big truck, volume 4. It's almost 2023. We gotta go to volume 4 on this. F-350 Lariat. They got a block. No entry, dude. Woo, super clean up front, man. I like that. Dually. Gooseneck or no? Yeah, gooseneck. Let's go. Oh, we got the Ford Lightning. Is this the F-150 Platinum? Oh yeah, it's the electric one. It tricked me out. I was at a car show. I was at the Good Guys car show. They had the hood pop with no engine in it. Really, really tripped me out. Got a Sprinter van up here. Ford Eco. Y'all know how they do it. Sorry, Transit van. 2022 350. Big dog.
Sorry, you don't have enough price.
Trimmer? Oh, what is that?
Fold out, then you got a work surface or place to eat or whatever else.
Okay. It's kind of cool.
Get out of the house.
Check out this last Eco. All right, y'all.